In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the location of your Reddit account. It's very much simple. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. And now let's move to the main part of this tutorial. So I launch my Reddit like this. I come on here and then I move to my settings here. So on my settings here, I just tap on my account here like this. So I tap on that, and then what I need to do is scroll up here and you can see location customization. So now I have no location being set. So you can choose by letting them So on here, you can choose by letting them select your location based on your IP address, or you can choose your location by yourself. So now let me scroll down here. Let me choose the United States. So here I choose United Kingdom here, or United States. I choose one of them here, and you can see my account has been changed. So you can see my account location has been changed. So now all the posts or the updates I'm going to see on my Reddit here is going to be based in the United States and the things I've chosen. So now you can see my location has been changed, and all the information I'm going to see here is going to be based on my interest on Reddit, and the location is going to be considered as well, which is the United States. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.